In a world filled with credit cards and loans that promise convenience but often lead to financial stress, the journey to maintaining a healthy credit profile can be overwhelming. Imagine Alex Carter, a hard-working individual who suddenly found herself trapped in overwhelming debt due to unexpected medical expenses and a drop in income. Desperate for a solution, she turned to a nationally promoted credit counseling service she'd seen advertised. But what she encountered wasn't impartial guidance. Instead, she felt pressured into a one-size-fits-all payment plan. Welcome to Wealth Creation Gents, a personal finance channel focusing on financial intelligence. Today, we're diving deep into the world of credit counseling agencies, and more importantly, how to choose wisely when you find yourself in a financial bind. The conflict arises when you're facing financial challenges, like Alex did, and you're not sure where to turn for help. Credit counseling agencies can be a beacon of hope, but not all of them have your best interests at heart. The problem, as we'll explore in this video, is that some credit counseling agencies prioritize their own financial incentives over your well-being. This can lead to inappropriate repayment plans and a lack of transparency regarding their impact on your credit reports and scores. But don't worry, we've got your back. Today, we're going to discuss how credit counseling works, the benefits of credit counseling, types of credit counseling services, and most importantly, how to choose the right credit counseling agency to empower yourself and regain control over your finances. 1. Understanding credit counseling. Credit counseling agencies act as trusted allies in your financial journey. Their purpose is clear: to help you manage your debts, enhance your credit score, and make informed financial decisions. They don't judge, they empower. These agencies collaborate with you to provide tailored assistance based on your unique financial situation. 2. How credit counseling works. The journey begins with an initial consultation, a pivotal moment where credit counselors dissect your financial landscape. They consider your income, expenses, and existing debts, culminating in a bespoke financial blueprint. This plan may encompass debt consolidation, negotiations with creditors for lower interest rates, and a pragmatic budgeting strategy to wrest control over your finances. 3. The benefits of credit counseling. Credit counseling offers a spectrum of rewards. By enrolling in a program, you might slash your monthly payments, sidestep late fees, and even witness a dip in your interest rates. Beyond these financial perks, credit counselors serve as educators, imparting money management skills that can withstand the test of time. As you adhere to the plan and make consistent payments, an uptick in your credit score often follows suit. 4. Types of credit counseling services. From consolidated credit counseling services that streamline repayment to the guidance provided by credit counseling companies, a range of services caters to your diverse financial needs. These services ensure a customized approach, ensuring that you receive tailored guidance. 5. Choosing the right credit counseling agency. The choice of your credit counseling agency is pivotal. Opt for those accredited by reputable bodies such as NFCC and FCAA. These endorsements signify ethical practices and a commitment to delivering exceptional service. 6. Understanding funding dynamics. It's crucial to understand that many credit counseling agencies derive a significant portion of their funding from creditor fees. Operating on a commission basis, they channel clients into debt management programs, redistributing payments to creditors. 7. Steering clear of debt management programs. One pivotal query to pose is whether the agency offers debt management programs, DMPs, involving repayment plans with attached monthly fees. Be cautious of such agencies, as their financial incentives might influence their advice. Favor agencies prioritizing your financial well-being, like the Institute for Financial Literacy. Conclusion. With awareness and informed questioning, you can confidently navigate your financial path. Remember, the reins of your journey are in your hands, and the right decisions today can shape a more secure financial future. Finally, thank you for watching. If you think the video content is valuable, please remember to subscribe, like, comment, and share. If you want to learn more, please click on the link below to read the free article on the Wealth Creation Gents website.